Hi YouTube. So this short tutorial is related with removing related products in Woocommerce. So sometimes we don't want all this along the bottom here. So we can remove all this and have that nice and clean, just showing the product and the information here. If you have additional information, that will still show. For example, product sizes or a bigger description. But in relation to removing related products, it's very, very simple. So we just need to go in here. So appearance, editor, and then you want to choose your theme. Then click here. Scroll to the bottom. And then here, all you need to do is paste this. I'm going to leave this in the description. Okay. Remove action, WooCommerce, single product summary, blah, blah, blah. File update. Then we can go back here, click refresh, and you can see it's gone. Okay, thanks for watching.